Here I have HTC Desire 628, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons functions in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have to go to the general settings, and here you have volume button options. You can set it to just volume, you can capture, or you can zoom with volume buttons. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.